So far we've looked at running the analysis via the search function, where you started to some degree by knowing the sort of content you wanted to see. However, you might just want to ask a general question across the full content repository. So let's do that now. Let's go to question, ask our AI assistant. Question, it asks us what would we like to know. So this is your typical chatbot experience, and we're going to ask it, what are the 5 key regenerative agricultural practices farmers can implement to improve soil health? And let's click and see what it comes up with. This is going to produce a report, an output, which is editable and exportable to Word. But remember, it's searching across the full database and not just specific documents, so it can take a little bit longer. So here we are. So it's summarised 5 key points about cover cropping, crop rotation, reduced tillage, recycling organic materials, and livestock integration. It's quite a high level. You can see that we've again got our references back to the source material, of which it's referencing 9 points across 4 documents here. And as I said, we can make a report out of this and do some further analysis on any of these documents as you see fit. Also, thinking about prompts and the question we asked it, we could, as we did with the presentation slides, think about potentially a better way to ask the question. For example, we've asked, what are the 5 we've asked for 5 key points. We've asked for an audience of farmers. So it's possible to create prompts in order to make those as variable inputs. In addition, we've asked it for regenerative agricultural practices to improve soil health. So there are 2 distinct topics there that we could reframe in a better organised prompt to create a better output. So these are just things to think about when you're developing prompts and wanting to get the best analysis out of your data, is how you then instruct the AI to produce the most effective report. And that's a simple introduction to question.